This is our RWC. I'm going to turn it on. We'll go on our computer in Excel. And Excel found the RWC. I'm going to import the readings.
And sometimes it might say enable content at the top. That's fine. Just hit yes. It might be like right around this area here. And then it'll find your network test area.
The more readings you have on here, the longer it takes for it to download.
That is good to know.
Download is successful. This would be in here if you needed to change anything. We don't need to change anything, but I always like to look over to make sure that everything is here. And it is. We just hit finish. All right, so all our results are down here on the bottom. So go in the file, save. Now, I usually put the place I was at, and then I always put down the ticket number.
That's very beneficial, especially if you're at the same place but there's multiple jobs going on.
Yeah, we can be here multiple times, so it's easier for Victoria to find it also. And then you hit save. Okay. And then we also like to print them out, not actually print them, but download them.
So Microsoft prints a PDF, entire workbook.
It's just for a PDF.
Perfect.
So there's one of 41, so we want to do all of them. So we're printing out all of them, so we're going to print. Put my file name in here. Save, and now it's gonna
Perfect. So you save it
this.
twice, right?
Save it twice. One's a PDF and one's an Excel sheet.
The master file, right? I'm assuming.
Yes.
There you
So
go.
now I go into my recently saved.
That's me, right?